So Cocoon is where we're going to do the vast majority of our actual work. So we're going to quickly come down here into our settings, and we're going to go over some of this stuff. So our name is really just for us to kind of know what it is. I'm going to name it Hurry Up and Stop. It's also the name that will appear on the Android Play Store and the Android apps and all that stuff. Our orientation, I'm personally going to lock mine to landscape. I'm going to force it to be full screen. Our content URL is going to be index.html. Yours could potentially be different. I don't know why it would be. Our bundle ID, this guy is super important. This actually needs to be the exact same as the ID in construct itself. Remember we set that up in the first video? I'm going to load back up my construct and load back up my file. And right here, ID, com, gamegen, hurry up and stop. Copy that and paste it. Our version number also needs to be 0.1. Now our WebView engine. This guy's been giving me lots of controversy. Everyone in different forum posts say everything said to use the canvas. We could use that one for this particular project. I don't think it'll work. You actually need canvas when you're going to be using things like advertisements or multiplayer or anything like that. Those, I do not know exactly how to use them yet. I will still be working on that. I'm just trying to get our kind of free app curriculum done. Eventually, when we do need to do ads and things, we will need this. We will also need a special Canvas plugin, which I have experimented already with. Once we have this set up, we're going to click our little save button where it'll let us. Then we're going to come over here and say Android. Simply put, we want for, Android. That's what we're going to do active compilation for. There are some other settings over here, but since we set them up on the default, we don't need to mess with them. The reason why we set them up on the default is so that way it'll kind of trickle down. In our next step, we're going to be setting up the key file. This is a big deal.